Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with page number 61, Morphology of Flowering Plants, Chapter 5, Ncert Biology, Class 11. Starting with phyllotaxy, the very first MCQ they might ask you about the definition of phyllotaxy, which is a pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branch. You have to give stress in this word, stem or branch. And these types usually asked in your board examination, that is alternate, opposite and whole. But which is important for MCQ point of view is about the examples given here for alternate type. Alternate type is that phyllotaxy single leaf arises at the each node in alternate manner. So you can see here it is alternate manner. So it is China rose and China rose and mustard and sunflower plants. Three examples are given, and you have to be very careful about these examples. And again, for opposite type, the pair of leaves arises at each node lies opposite to each other. Here you can see lies opposite to each other. They might give you these images also for image based question, and you have to be very clear about these images as well. Now coming to the definition again, here examples given are calotropis and guava plants. You have to be very careful about the examples given in this chapter, that is morphology of flowering plants. In morphology of flowering plants, what they do, they give you examples of flowers, and they will ask you which about phyllotaxy, venation, inflorescence, etc. And you have to be very clear about that. For that, I would like to suggest you to make a list of these examples and their features found in this example, found regarding the example, so that you should not get confused in the stress like situation in exam. Now coming to the inflorescence part, here a flower is modified. One portion is left, that is whole variety is Elastonia. So you have to be very careful about these examples, as I have already told you. Now coming to the inflorescence, very first MCQ can be from the definition itself. The flower is a modified shoot wherein shoot is apical. Now floral appendages laterally apex produce a different kind of floral appendages laterally at the successive nodes instead of leaves. So you have to be very clear about this. Floral appendages laterally at successive nodes, they are present at the nodes. They might confuse you with giving you internodes. So you have to be very clear, the successive nodes instead of leaves. Now it is always solitary. The arrangement of flower on a floral axis is termed as inflorescence. The definitions of these all phyllotaxy, inflorescence, venation is very important and have been asked multiple times. So you have to be very clear about that. Now coming to the types, racemose and chymose or cymose, you might say. Like racemose type inflorescence main axis continue to grow, and the flowers are borne laterally in the acropetal succession. So here is a example of racemose inflorescence, and in image based question they might ask you this question. And for cymose type of inflorescence, the main axis terminates in a flower, and hence limited in growth, and flower borne in the basipetal order. In racemose they are acropetal succession, but in cymose it is basipetal. You have to be very careful about this. For a remembering hack, I may ask you to remember like this. In racemose, A follows R, so you have to be like racemose acropetal succession. Likewise, B is present just before C, so basipetal cymose. I remembered like that in my time. So you may apply these tricks, and I would like to suggest apply these tricks to one of these words only, so that other one you can get it by just simple common sense. So thank you.